Here we are once again on A-arms. Driver's side. Still got to work on it. Still got to get it done. Where did I get to last time? I don't know. Cleaning it up, whatever. But I'm in the process of getting it prepped for paint. So that's next. Somebody wanted to kind of see the process of how I got that other side done. So just adding a little bit more this time. Instead of me just going through the explanation and voila, it's done. No. Showing a little bit more of the process. Somebody wanted to see it. Here it is. Taking the wire wheel to these, wire brush to these, pants grabber. Got the lower here, got the upper hanging over there. Basically going to take some acetone, what I got right here, solvent, give it a wipe down real quick, kind of get some of the extra grease off of here from my hands, from handling it, all that stuff. Get it prepped for the rust reformer, which is right here. That'll be the first coat. So basically it's just a quick wipe down, hang, spray. So get that out of the way. Probably annoying as can be. Anywho's, some of this on this rag here. Should be good. Oh, too much. Just right. Give it a quick wipe down here. Yeah, I didn't get all the rust off of this thing. I'm not going to be able to get all the rust off this thing, but that's okay. Between trying to wipe down into some of these gaps and that rust reformer, spraying that on here, that'll really help alleviate the rust that's on here in the areas that I couldn't get. So, yeah, it's just a quick once over. That's all, really. And now, I don't think that one's going to work. A little too far down. Let's go with this one. That's better. That. Just have this hanging on here. Started giving her the old squirt down. Turn my fan up. So turn the fan up, open the back door, got a couple windows open, try to generate a little bit of a cross breeze in here to suck some of the overspray out. That's the primary goal. Not too worried about overspray on the car. It's dirty, it'll buff out. I mean, gonna have some work done to it anyway. So, rust reformer first. Go loosen her up. And since things are going to be spraying that way, I'm going to spray that way. So, let's start on this inside here. I'm going to get all the tight corners first. All right. That one's done. No, it's not. Just kidding. Another little spot. Gotta look it over. Gotta look it over. Because every now and again, it's just a little spot. in an oddball spot that you didn't get. Ooh, and that right there, that's a tough spot right there. How am I going to get that? What I'm going to do between the rust reformer and the primer, I may do it after the primer. Let's get the ball joints back on. So get this done first, and then the ball joints. While that's drying up a little bit, let's wipe this one down. So I want a good protective coat between the ball joint and the metal here, so the rust will form. So I'm going to go ahead and move that over here. So I can finish setting up. Take this one. And let's see. Oh, let's go through here. All right. This one is next. Easy cheesy. Now, one more part to do. This is the cross member. Cross rod goes in there. So I'm going to tape up the ends on it. All right. This one's going to go here. Good enough. Nope. Give it a quick wipe down. Okay. I do need to try and locate some more of these. I've got two. They're mismatched. I've got one that has a split washer completely buried into it. And I've got this random set that somebody stuck on there. So I'm going to look this up, see if I can find these pieces here. Those go over the bushings on the end. They squeeze them down. So I'm sure I can locate something. Yeah. So tomorrow, do the assembly of the tie rods? No. The bushings? No. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Ball joints? I think that'll work. Do the assembly of the ball joints on both these units here. I don't know that I'm going to try to push the bushings in yet. That will probably wait. Yeah. And then primer. Yeah. And then primer. Sounds like a good plan. So that's it for right now. It's a short one, at least a short part of this video. And tomorrow we'll knock that out. So see you then.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you.
Well, I'm back. Going to get the primer put on these. Haven't been able to get as much time in here as I wanted to, but still got to get in here and put some time in. So I'm going to go ahead and get some primer put on these parts here and get them ready for coats of paint. I do have to come back and actually order some of the bushing washers. Well, none of these are any good. Two of them match. One of them's got a lock washer stuck on it. This was a 3-piece, and this is a different design. So I'm going to look those up and get those ordered for both the upper and lower and get those painted on here. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and get some primer put on these things. Alright, I'm going to find out what the wait time is here. This tells me, what do you tell me? I can't read this, it's so dang small. Dry time. So I got to do a top coat within 1 hour or after 48 hours. So I'll top coat it here real soon. Alright, once these are set up, get the top coat put on here. I'm going to start cleaning up that spring. Got to do the same process with the spring. Get as much rust as I can off there. Get the rust reformer on there. Get the primer on there. Get the red paint on there. I still have to get a few parts to get these together before I can get them back on the car. So I do need to take a look at that this week and try to get them here for next weekend. So that'll be my goal. A lot going on this week, just in personal life. So I'm going to be a little delayed on getting things together and getting another video up. Just give me time. It'll get there. Sometimes we get busy. So I'll get the stuff rolling again. And once this is all done, I'm going to start working on that steering box, see what I can do with that, see if I can make it a little bit better, see if I end up reusing it or putting something else in. So that's the goal. Go ahead and get this all mixed up. I'm just gonna go ahead and take care of this one over here real quick. Turn, turn, turn. Let that dry. It can dry while I'm on vacation. And I gotta go find those parts. Next thing will be the spring. All right. So probably won't get this video up. You know, I appreciate it, guys. Thanks for tuning in to Bent Rod Garage. You know, if you please like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you like, what you don't like. You know, there's always the haters out there. You know, at least I'm doing something. So, till next time, y'all take it easy. Have a happy 4th.